welcome back to my channel Creativities with Nikita. Today's video is about how to create 3D paper rose. First, I am taking pink color cardstock or pink color chart paper, which is around 150 to 200 GSM. To avoid any mistakes, you can draw the pattern on a rough paper and just trace it out on the pink paper. For making a proper rose, we will be needing 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. So as you can see from the video that all these are petals on the white paper. Using a bone folder or a blunt scissor, you have to make a round to all the petals as I'm showing you in the video. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my bone folder, so that's why I'm using here the blunt scissor. So I must say that you should avoid scissors while bending your leaves. I can suggest you that if you don't have any bone folder, then instead of using scissors, you can use a plastic ruler. There are some flower making papers or cardstocks on which one side is metallic and the other side is matte finish, so you can use both the sides alternatively. In case of mine, the paper which I am using, one side is a little bit glossy and the other side is matte finish, so I am taking the glossy part on the outside section and the matte finish part on the inside section. You can take a pencil and just mold the petal around the pencil to have a round shape, and I'm just using glue and just hold the shape with your fingers so that it sticks very quickly. You have to stick all the petals with some space in between and alternatively. I mean that if you are pasting petal on the right side, then the other petal will be on the left side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. You can also follow me on my social medias, that is on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and I'm also in VShot now, so you can follow me and check out more creations. From the video, as you can see that I am applying glue on 3 portions of the petal to form a bud and then to form the flower. So you have to mold the petal one by one, hold it for some time to set the shape, and then you have to continue with the other one. If you are making a paper flower for the first time, you may take 1 hour or 30 minutes according to the size or shape you want. I took around 30 to 40 minutes to make a flower while filming it. I used to make 2 to 3 flowers at the same time. That means making half of the flower and let it dry, and then take the second one and do half of it and let it dry. So in that process I do, but there is no need to hurry. You can make your own flower at your own time's sake. When I made my first flower, it took me around 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes to make that particular flower. That is the first handmade flower which I made. I was just adding petals all around the flower, but it was not holding that shape. It was just drooping and the petals are not standby. So here what I have learned from my mistakes is that when you are doing the outside petals, you have to apply glue in the middle section like a straight line and just press it with the buds. So you have to do like that. You have to add petals alternatively, that is when you are doing the outside petals, you have to go in one direction, maybe anti-clockwise or clockwise. You cannot do like adding petals to north, south, east, west. You cannot do that for the outer petals, but you can definitely do the north, south, east, west for the bud section. Watching videos from YouTube and flower making sessions, I got inspired and then I tried this procedure, and mostly I learned from my mistakes. So I just shared my mistakes, the pros and cons of making flower, so that you can make the first flower with less mistakes. After one round, if your flower seems to be empty at some end or some side, you can add petals to that. Make sure that the shape of the petals should be like this. The size may vary, but the shape of the petals should be like this. You can draw on a rough paper and then trace out on a pink paper, as I've told you earlier also. The flower which I'm making on the screen, the diameter of that flower is around 8 to 9 centimeters. So for that type of or that size of flower, you may need number of petals, which I will list down. There is one trick to attach all the petals very quickly, that is apply glue wherever I have said and leave it for 5 to 6 seconds naturally to dry a little bit, and then with your fingers just blend the glue and then attach the petal to the flower. So it will help to stick the petals with the flower easily and in less time. There will be some excess cut out petals which you can use for the next flower. So from the video, as you can see that my 3D paper rose is ready. It's completely handmade. Don't worry about the glue because it would dry up after some time. It's looking beautiful from the sideways as well as from the back. Also, don't worry about the back side if it's untidy, because it would hide from the beautiness of the flower. Hope you enjoyed watching my session of making 3D paper rose. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.